Hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Epic RAM. So you're gonna go this website. It will give Epic RAM. If you don't go to this website right now, then you are as stupid as your mom. Ha, got him. Funny. So, and after you do that, so you're gonna go to your folder. I already have it installed. See, let me take you to the thing. So it's gonna be, okay, so now you're gonna take this thing that's your RAM, and you're gonna drag it into your you're gonna go to your Windows, and you're just gonna right click on this and just press that button. So here, let me do it for you, and I'll show you how it works.